Starla from expressionsvinyl.com, and today we're going to talk about the mysterious technique of layering HTV. Can you do it? Yes. All HTV? No. So we don't recommend layering on top of glitter HTV, holographic HTV, and the metal HTVs. So let's get started. So what you want to start with is have your vinyl cut out and ready to go with their weeding boxes. Okay, so start by layering your pieces with their weeding boxes, and you're going to number them in order. So I'm just marking the layers so I know in what order to place them. This will not affect the vinyl in any way. This is just a guide for you. Okay. Once they're layered, crease the whole image to find the middle. This will not hurt your vinyl. Just grab the whole thing and crease to the middle. All right, so now I'm going to show you a tip on how to find the center of your t-shirt. So simply fold it in half and create a crease down the middle. And then just take your iron, just iron it right down the middle. All right, and so here's your crease, and you're just going to fold your image in half, and this will not hurt the vinyl. Just find the middle, and you're just going to line that right up. And that's to find it on a shirt. But since we're not doing a shirt today, we are going to do it on a towel, so that's not necessary. All right, so you always want to preheat your garment to rid it of any moisture it may have retained, and it helps avoid shrinking. All right. All right, now lay out your image wherever you'd like it on your towel and get it square. Since this is a towel and working in the corner, do it however you want. So now that we've got these numbered, you're going to take off your numbers and leave behind 1. When you're ready to press your Easy Weed, you want to set it to 305 degrees for 10 to 15 seconds, but you only want to do 1 second increments to avoid any shrinking. All right, and as you can see, it's not stuck. So you want to keep doing that 1 second increment. So then lay out your number 2s. And be sure to avoid any overlapping heat transfer onto a carrier sheet. Now that I've got some exposed vinyl, I want to make sure that I always have it covered. You don't want to ever iron right on top of raw heat transfer. So take your multi-use paper and put it over top and do 1 more second. And then just repeat this process until we get to the last layer. All right, and to this point, we are at our last layer. So we are going to make up for our remainder of our time. So our bottom at this point is hitting 4 seconds. So this would be 5 seconds, but we need to finish it all, so it needs to hit 10 seconds. So we're gonna do it about 6 seconds. All right, so I'm still only gonna do this last one for 1 second. Reason being is it has carrier sheets on top of it. It can create creases. So with our remaining 5 seconds, we're going to rid the creases. All right, here's our final press. So we've already hit 5. So we're going to do 5 to 10 more because you still have about 5 seconds of wiggle room. All right. Okay. And now you have your final product. So easy to do layering. It's so easy. Just take it slow and you will be great. And it was not scary. I didn't have any shrinking. So we did use an EasyPress on this today, but the same technique applies when you're using a heat press or just a home iron. So if you want to try this out, go over to expressionsvinyl.com and grab yourself some heat transfer. If you like this, let us know. Give us a thumbs up, and we'd love to see what you make. If you loved this, that is right. If you loved this, let us know by giving us a thumbs up and show us what you make with layering vinyl. And show us what you make.
But a little happy.
If you love this, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you're gonna make. Okay, I'm gonna do it.
You just like piece all this again.
If you love this, be sure. Why do I keep saying if you loved us? And let us know what you've made. Or what you're gonna make, or whatever. I don't know how to close this video.
If you love this, be sure to let us know by liking this video.
Give us a thumbs up, and we can't wait to see what you make.
You're so sarcastic though.
Yeah. Alright, if you like this, that's cool. Alright, give us a thumbs up. Hold on, now I gotta read my notes. Give us a thumbs. No. If you like this, let us know.
Were you happy?
Yes, I was. We'd love to see what you make, and have a great day, guys. What are you doing?
So if you guys love this project, let us know by giving us a thumbs up. You guys have a good day.
He just did it so naturally. It's so done. I'm going to my trailer, jerk.